Hello, Agile enthusiasts! Today let's explore the 12th and the last principle of the Agile Manifesto. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. This principle underscores the importance of continuous improvement through regular reflection. Imagine it as a continuous loop where teams assess their performance, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments to enhance effectiveness. The 12th principle resonates with agile iterative nature, emphasizing the importance of adapting and evolving throughout the development process. It's a reflection of agile's commitment to embracing change and continuous refinement. Why is regular reflection a cornerstone of team effectiveness? It's a powerful tool for uncovering areas of improvement and building on successes. By taking a step back and critically evaluating the process, we pave the way for growth, innovation, and a more effective team dynamic. But how do we establish a reflective culture within our teams? It starts with encouraging open and honest discussion during retrospectives, those dedicated moments for reflection. Additionally, implementing action items based on these reflections ensures that insights are translated into tangible improvements. Reflecting at regular intervals yields a myriad of benefits: increased team cohesion and morale and common outcomes, as are enhanced problem-solving skills and adaptability. The process of tuning and adjusting based on reflection sets the stage for continuous improvement and sustainable success. In conclusion, the 12th Agile principle teaches us that regular reflection is not just a practice, it's a mindset. Embracing a culture of continuous improvement leads to sustained success. By regularly tuning and adjusting our behaviors based on reflections, we ensure that our team is always evolving and becoming more effective. I hope you found this exploration insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Agile insights. And if you are interested in more information about how to run a retrospective, be sure to check out my course on Udemy. See ya!